Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to CITRIS Corporate Sponsor Day. Thank you all very much for coming. We know that you all have very busy schedules, and we appreciate the time that you spend with us. It's going to be an exciting day. I hope that at the end of the day you will agree with that comment. A special welcome to our guests from Finland. We have about 35 people here from CITRIS from Finland who have had a morning's activity downstairs already starting at 8. So, ladies and gentlemen from CITRIS, welcome, and again, a welcome to all of you. Let me begin with a display of the first half of today's agenda. You all should have a copy of that you received with your registration materials, and I won't bother going over this in any detail except to note that we do have a very distinguished luncheon speaker. The logistics for the luncheon are a little complicated, so let me explain them. Lunch will be served downstairs in room 120, Bechtel Engineering. You just go down the stairs in the lobby there and you'll find box lunches served in 120. Then you're free to take those box lunches and network during that time. Use this the first half hour of this lunch time to enjoy your lunch, network with colleagues, meet new people. You can eat in the lobby around this room, but no food and drink in here, please, or there are tables set up downstairs. And then at about 12:45, we'll herd everybody back into this room for a talk by Zhao Qing on the China's Internet Revolution. Promises to be a very, very interesting and informative talk. We've grouped our technical sessions into groups of three talks. So in this morning's session, we'll have a presentation on advances in fundamental device technologies. In the afternoon session, 3 talks on the issues in sensor nets. A student poster session at 2:30. Very important that you attend that, interact with the students. They work very, very hard to put together posters that are informative. This is their opportunity to meet you and for you to meet them. So I urge you to attend this poster session, which will be in the lobby around this building. And then the final session on system-level test beds will close out the day, except that we will repeat poster sessions for those who are able to stick around between 4:30 and 6. There's a reception at 6 o'clock, again, downstairs in 120. And the CITRIS Industrial Advisory Board will be meeting between 4:30 and 6. That's a by invitation only session. So let me also say that this is one day of a 2-day event. Simultaneous with today's activities is a special workshop on TinyOS, an operating system specially designed for sensor networks. That's being held in the Wozniak Lounge over in Soda Hall. Hopefully we won't say anything here that will cause you to want to go over there. However, it's a very exciting set of technologies. I hope that we exchange, I meant that tongue-in-cheek, we will exchange people from one session to another, and people will be able to take advantage of the fact that we're having simultaneous sessions. Tomorrow is BEARS Day. BEARS stands for Berkeley EECS Annual Research Symposium. Many of you will be attending that as well. The reason that we combine these events in 2 successive days is to save you the trouble of commuting to two separate events spread out over a longer period of time. So we hope that you take advantage of the fact that these are all happening within the same period this week. Let me now introduce Dean Richard Newton, the Dean of the College of Engineering at Berkeley here. I think Richard has a few comments of welcome.